Hey guys, what's up? Strapped Up P with Strapped Up TV. Today we'll be working on putting on a new RedBeam. I've already disassembled the old one. And I mean, it's an okay RedBeam, but it's a cheapie. And time to, get something better. So we're gonna first start by always checking the gun. And it is clear. So to start this process, I like to just go ahead and disassemble it. Put the slide up over here. This is nice. This is a big bulky slide, but it's a lot more durable. You know what I'm saying? Especially with firing and dropping. Firearms, they go through a lot of wear and tear and, dropping and banging. So, everything you put on there, especially optics and things like that, you always want to make sure you don't get the cheapies because they will break. And, who knows, you may be in the dark and, if you drop your gun, your flashlight might not work and, might be the situation where you need it. So, you get what you pay for, and especially with firearms and accessories, that's really applicable. So you want to remember that. Go LSU. Okay, so we should just be able to slide this bad boy up on here. Need to loosen it up just a tad bit. Golly, that's big and bulky, I'll tell you that much.